Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error complex object is not callable. This error occurs when you try to call a complex number as if it were a function. For example, consider the following code snippet. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, z is a complex number with a value of 2 plus 3j. The second line of code tries to call z as if it were a function with an argument of 5. However, complex numbers are not callable, which means they cannot be invoked like functions. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you're not trying to call a complex number as a function. Check your code for any instances where you might be using parentheses after a complex number, as this is a common mistake that can cause this error. If you need to perform a mathematical operation with the complex number, you can use built-in functions like abs or math.sqrt.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.